Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring modern, elegant, and functional dining room and kitchen designs. From layouts and furniture to stunning lighting ideas. We'll cover it all in detail. Let's get started. Let's begin with an open space concept that seamlessly connects the kitchen and dining area. This design not only creates a spacious and modern feel but also makes it easier to cook while staying connected with family or guests. The color palette features soft gray, crisp white, and gold accents, adding a touch of luxury. Next, let's talk about the kitchen. The cabinets combine matte gray and glossy white finishes for an elegant contrast. A white marble backsplash with subtle gray veining enhances the luxurious feel. Open shelves with LED strip lighting create a clean, modern look. Additional tip. For a more organized kitchen, use black metal hanging racks to store your favorite cookware. They're both functional and stylish. Now, let's move to the dining area. Here, we've selected a rectangular dining table with an elegant white marble top and gold-finished legs. 4 velvet upholstered chairs in soft cream tones provide comfort without compromising style. Additional tip. Feel free to add a centerpiece like fresh flowers or scented candles to make the space feel warmer and more inviting. Lighting is the key to setting the perfect mood. During the day, large windows with sheer white curtains let in natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. At night, a crystal chandelier above the dining table provides a dramatic and luxurious effect. Additional tip. Opt for warm-toned lighting to create a cozy and romantic evening ambiance. For the finishing touches, add decorative elements like a soft rug under the dining area, small indoor plants to refresh the space, and mirrors on the walls to create the illusion of a larger room. Before we wrap up, here are some extra tips for your dining and kitchen design. 1. Use closed cabinets to store rarely used items and keep the space clutter-free. 2. Choose furniture made of water-resistant and easy-to-clean materials, especially in the kitchen. 3. Stick to neutral base colors and add pops of bold or gold accents for a luxurious touch. 4. Layer your lighting with pendant lamps and LED strips to create visual depth and dimension. And that's it for our inspiration on modern and elegant dining and kitchen designs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting design ideas. See you in the next video.